Welcome to this video tutorial on how to implement saving and loading games in GameMaker. In this video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to add saving and loading in your GameMaker game. First, let's have a look at the objects we have. We have object button new, object button load, object spawner, object button back, object block, object button load 1, object button load 2, object save 1, and object button save 2. Room menu main, room menu load, and room game. So let's start off with the main menu. First of all, I want you to go to your object button new and add in the event, the left button of your mouse event, add the code room go to room game. So when we press on the object button new, we will go to the room game. Now for the object button load, you add in the left mouse event room go to room menu load. So when we press on this button, we will go to the room menu load. Right, so go to your room menu main room and put the two buttons in there. Right, now go to your object button load 1 and object button load 2. Go to the left mouse button event and add some code. If file exists, save 01 game load save 01, else show message this file does not exist. So when we press on the load button, GameMaker will first check if there is a file called save01, and if there is one, it will load save01, or else it will show a message this file does not exist. Now we're going to do the same for our save2 load 2. Only this time save 02 instead of save 01. Right, go to your room menu load and add the two buttons. Now we also make an object button back, and in the left button event you add the following: when we press on the back button, we will get to the room menu main. Also add this button to your room menu load. Right, now go to your object spawner, and in the key release space event, add the code instance create mouse X mouse Y object block. So whenever we release the spacebar, object block will be created at the position of mouse X mouse Y. Now go to your object button save one, and in the mouse left button event, add the following code. So when we press on this button, the game will be saved as save01. I'm going to do the same for button save2, only now instead of save01, you're gonna have save02. Right, so you're going to add these three objects in the room game, and also add the back button just in case. Right, so now we've assigned our new button, our load button, our object spawner, our object button black, our object block we won't have to do anything with that, our object button load 1, our object button load 2, our object button save 1, and our object button save 2. Now let's run the game. So we haven't done anything yet, so we're going to make a new game, and let's just make a 1 like this and save it to savegame save01. Right, let's add back and just load game, and now we're going to click on load game save file 2, and it says this file does not exist. But when we press on load game save file 1, we get back to the creation we made. So let's say we want to have something for save file 2 as well. So just gonna make a simple 2 and save it. Now when we load save file 2, we see this again. And let's say we want this and this to be a continued line. We just add this, click on it again, and when we load it, it's loaded and saved. Now when we exit this and restart it, and we load save file 1, as you can see, it is still loaded, it's still saved. Same for save file 2.